I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I started with a stretch hair because this is kind of hairstyle that can take you about 5 minutes and you can style it every day. I go ahead and divide my hair into two sections, but as you can see, one side look bigger than other because this one side is going to cover almost 2/3 of my face. Yes, that is our style.
From this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself.
After I finish to style my hair, I go ahead and put on my makeup. This is the final look. This hair is very easy, cute, and elegant. I hope you guys enjoy and you love it. So please don't forget to subscribe and give me thumb up. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon. Bye bye.